Hello, lovelies. Today I'm gonna share with you my most prized possession, my favorite piece of stationery, or rather stationery accessory, which is my Classiky toolbox. In here, I hold everything that I'm currently loving. I like to switch everything out to correlate with the seasons. Here I'm going to give you a tour of what's currently inside and also show you some of my favorite. To start off, I actually added this little foil floral thing last night. It's pretty cute. It's a little transfer sticker. Just thought I'd add that there. I have some spare papers that I use to decorate covers or random collages. I need to buy some more. I'm running super low. I have some super cheap scissors because I keep losing mine, or my son keeps taking them. I don't know. I hold my AirPods here. And as you can see, I kind of lost my place and I'm like, let me just put it there, whatever. I have my bone folder, which is something that I always forget to even use, but it is super useful. I have this little masking tape cutter. Again, I never use. I end up ripping the tape anyway. Oh, and I have this super cute eraser, the Mount Fuji one. I really wanted this pink eraser, and I haven't used it. I've been using these other cheaper foam ones, and I can't wait to see the mountain, but I'm not ready to unwrap it. These are the stamp. I don't use stamps that often, but I really like these stamps because I'm able to build upon them. I guess that's what I don't like about stamps, is that I can't really commit, but these hand stamps have been super fun to play with. You can do so many things with them and just put your own spin on it. I also have this cute little tiny painting one, which I'll try to do like a mini painting every week. It's been really fun to play with. And these are some, I think they're BG, but these are some washi tapes that I really like. I really love this little, I don't know, it's like a cherry blossom city, and I have like these two postage stamp washis. This one is not really my favorite. I just really want to use it up, but it's like a, I don't know, like a whale ocean star thing. Here's an extra washi tape of that same cherry blossom city. I really love these MT washi tapes. They're just so sticky. Here's some floral ones for spring that I've been using a lot more lately. Here's like my last roll of lace washi. I have to get another one. I ran out of my pink one, blush pink one, and the gray one. These three are like almost like a newspapery look. Washi tape from Classiky. I really love that newspapery style to add as an accent on all my pages. And this one is just some really strong washi tape. I thought it was regular washi tape, but it's like for packaging. But I use it anyway. I just have to be careful. This is some adhesive runner that I use all the time. I have this syringe for my inks. I like to use these Yosaka ink samples a lot since I'm always changing the inks in my pen. I can't commit to an ink for the life of me. These are just some extra little converters that I use for all my mini pens. I have 3 Travelers' pens, and for now I have 3 Kaweco Sports. I actually have another one coming in the mail. I've become a little addicted to the Kaweco Sport. They're really fun to write with. I also have these tweezers for when my nails get in the way and I can't relift the washi tape sticker or undo my traveler's notebook band because I change my charms way too much. Underneath I have this little swatch card of the inks that I'm currently using right now, just so I know exactly what I have. And I also have this archival ink in black. I have other colors, but I always grab the black, I guess because I mostly use the lettered stamps, and for me the black, I don't know, it just looks good. I prefer the black over any other color that I have. Here I have that random little wire protector as well. And here I'm going to show you my Zakka ink samples. I really like their ink samples because they hold more than other retailers and their container is just so nice. It fits perfectly in this box. I've never had an issue with spills, and to me it's like the perfect amount to test any ink. Not that I can commit to a full bottle. I have, but for me the sample is honestly more than enough before I get bored of a color anyway. But I think they're really cute and they really have a nice aesthetic too. Here I'm trying to show you the colors that I have sort of through the vial. I chose a lot of lighter pinks, purples, and blues. I also have like an orange in here and a couple softer grays. I feel like it would be fitting for like the spring and can go on to the summer too if need be. But really I'll change them again soon because again I can't commit. I really love this box and this tiny system where I can really rotate through everything that I have and actually be mindful and use the stuff that I have instead of hoarding it and like hiding them where I'll forget they even exist. I'll rotate these with the season like I mentioned earlier and just have fun with the choices that I made. I also like that I can carry this to any room in my house. If I wanted to do something outside or in my bedroom, I could just easily grab this box and take it with me. I also love how beautiful and elegant it looks on my desk as well. It's a very beautiful piece and well worth the money for me. I really like this box, as I mentioned earlier. It really is my favorite stationery thing. I really love how all my little analog things can be in one place. Here I'm showing you the colors, the little swatches. I'm not the best at swatches, but I just did it real quick, just so I can have a reference. Let me know in the comments down below if you have one of these boxes or just a little stationery box in general. Also, what is your top favorite item at the moment right now? I think mine's definitely has to be that cherry blossom washi tape and the Kaweco Sport iridescent still. I really love it. It's so pretty. So I did a thing and I bought another traveler's notebook. I've been eyeing the blue one. I really like it. I'm not sure if the camera shows how blue it is, but it actually is. I thought it was gonna look more black. I modified this notebook like I did with my brown one and added extra elastics to the spine. I put it in this camel color because I filmed the process of how I threaded the strings, just in case some of you guys are interested. So stay tuned for that one. And also a new TN and planner setup system. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.